Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm going to talk about how you can turn your picture into enemy. You can turn your picture into enemy. Also, you can make any picture what you can imagine as like Midjourney. But this website is better than Midjourney because Midjourney is not a free website, but this website are absolutely free. So I'm going to make this two picture into enemy. So let's start. So if you want to do this, just you need to open a browser. I am going to open my Chrome browser and search here image.ai. After that you need to create here a account. I am already create my account. After you create your account, they give you 100 credits. So this is lots of credit. After finish the credit, you can also use another account. So then click here start creating for free. Then here is the promote option. Here you can type anything what you can imagine. So I am not going to type anything. I am click here image. Then I'm going to give this to image desktop. Then wait few seconds. Then open this image, open. Then I'm going to click here generate. This image is uploading. Then click here to generate. You can also type here anything. I am not going to type. I am just making this picture to enemy. Okay, I just want to turn this picture into enemy. Then click here to generate. Wait few seconds, close it. Now look, they make my picture like edge like enemy. So I'm going to download this picture. Click here and download it. And I'm also going to download it. Okay, I'm also going to download it. Okay, now I'm going to open a picture. Look, now I am also going to open this. This to this. Okay, now I'm going to make another picture. Click here to delete. Then select another picture. Select it, open. Wait few seconds. So they give me 100 credit. After finish the credit, you can also use another account. Then you also gain 100 credits. So in this way you can use lifetime free. So I'm going to click here to generate for image. Wait few seconds. Actually my network is slow, so that's why it's take time. Wait few seconds. Okay, it's complete. I'm going to download this. Okay, now I'm going to open this picture so that you guys can see it clearly. That's the real image and that's the enemy. Okay, in this way you can make your picture and turn into your picture in enemy. Let's try another thing. Let's type here something like ni, like night, sea, moon, star, 8K. Now click here generate. This website is similar as like Midjourney, but this website is better than Midjourney because it's easy to use and you can easily create here account and you got 100 credit. After finish the credit, you can also use another account, then you got again 100 credit. So in this way you can use this website lifetime. Now look, they give me a image as like I type. When you type here accurately, then they give you a better picture. So in this way you can turn your image into enemy and you can also make any image what you can imagine in your mind. So thanks for watching, guys.